Hello! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Before we start, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and to do it you can press the upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see this icon right here, the one that looks like a sun, and you can tap on it to toggle between different brightness levels. We have the brightness level auto, so this one is automatic, so it's gonna pick the best brightness or the best brightness the watch thinks is in the current environment. Next we have the super low brightness, then we have the medium, and we have the high. You can also adjust the brightness via the settings, so you can swipe down to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon, tap on display and brightness. Here you can scroll down and you can disable the auto brightness. If you want to change it manually, you need to disable the auto brightness. And now we can scroll down, and here we have the screen brightness slider, and we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And right here we have a bit wider range of the brightnesses than on the quick panel. So if you want to have a bit more accurate brightness, or maybe not accurate, but accurate to your likings, or maybe you can do it more accurately right here in the settings, more precisely rather. Okay. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.